Hey everyone, let's learn Good Riddance, aka Time of Your Life by Green Day. This one is a classic song with G, C add 9, D and E minor or E minor 7 if you just keep these fingers where they were for your G. 3 parts. Here's part 1. It's down, down, it's not the down, down, up, down, 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 up, C add 9 to D. And then that's another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Right, then the next part, E minor, D to C add 9 to G. And that's the, it's not a question, just a lesson learned in time. Then the other part, E minor to G, E minor to G. I hope you had the E minor to D back to G. Enjoy.